Gentle breeze, gentle breeze, blowing through the trees, and the meadows filled with flowers, showing me your gentleness. How I love you, showing me.
So the representation of these flags you see all around us is the past members of our church, which we hold dear to our hearts. And this is just to commemorate their life and the good they have done within our community.
How you draw me near.
Hello guys, host Nero. I'm here with Joshua. What are you looking forward to this White Sunday, this year specifically?
Looking forward to the Aotearoa.
Can you recite your Go Loko off by heart?
Whātoto mata upu e whā, whai upu e loas whunu ma le lima, ma le loas whunu ma le ono, loas whunu ma le lima. Ia wae sao mati o luma, ma aula mata, ia whāsanga tuni i o luma, loas whunu ma le ono. Ia mawhau whau I le ala o vai, una whātu ma wina e lea o o ala uma.
Nice. Can you say to Louisa Grove this Sunday? See you there.
To Louis and Grove this Sunday, see you there.
Woo! And we're here with
Ezra. Aito. Ryan here.
what do you look forward to every year for White Sunday?
After White Sunday, ko ngais.
I'm happy and blessed to be here all the time and yeah, just grateful to be here. And I love my people to be around with me and all that, so yeah, peace.
Nice. What are you guys looking forward to this year?
Ko ngai again.
See you guys this Sunday.
Sa mo lo te I Mr. Malo leo. E whionga o Sefa. Sefa, wā mai o?
When we have update,
What are you looking lea sa ta mai?
ia whai matau loto ta maiti ma fia.
Whawhitai lava Sefa.
I'm here with
Novi,
Norbe. What are you looking forward to this weekend? This White Sunday specifically.
for the performance.
Is there a part there where you're looking forward to most?
Not we,
Can you recite your Go Loko off by heart?
kinda.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, hit it.
Whātoto mata upu e whā, whai upu e los fuma e lima, mai los fuma e ono, los fuma e lima. Ia wae sa o mati o luma, maola o mata ia whaasanga tonu e o luma, los fuma e ono. Ia mawhawhau I le ale o whai, o na whaatuma wina I lea o o ala uma. To Louisa Grove this Sunday, please come to see our performance today.
Yes.
Here we are with this guy. I don't know. Are you looking forward to White Sunday, bro?
Yes, I am.
What are you looking forward to White Sunday?
Doing my creative dance.
Can you go give us a little preview of your creative dance?
No, nice.
I'm here with.
Te Waine.
What's your favorite part of White Sunday each year?
Everyone's happy in it, yeah.
What are you looking forward to most this White Sunday?
More laughing from Papa,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, and everyone being happy, yeah.
Question of the day: do you know your Go Loko off by heart? Can we hear it?
Whātoto mata upu e whā, whai upu e los fuma tolu mai los fuma whā, los fuma tolu. Ia sili o na leo leo ina o leo loto I le leo leo ina o mea uma, a wā e tupu mai ai lea meo, los fuma whā. Tu wesi a tau elingu tu whā piu piu o mā longu tu whā tu iese, ia mama o ia toi.
Nice.
To Louisa Grove, we'll see you this Sunday.
Guys, we're here with.
Oriana, Ray, Tina, Los Masala.
What are you guys looking forward to most this White Sunday?
Seeing everyone perform. Seeing my parents.
Are you guys all in the same singer?
No. Oh.
Alright, can you just recite your Go Loko? And then she's gonna do her own one.
Whātoto mata upu e whā, whai upu mua mua. Whārongo mai ia o tau le whanau e, I le a o atu a le tama. Ma wai mai o tau salinga, ina ia whaata mai no tau. Whai upu e se funu. Longo mai lo atali ie, mai e tali au upu. Ona whātere ina e leo tasanga lo o langa. Whai upu e se funu ma le tasi. O se whātino ia te oe le alo le poto. O te taita ina oe i alo sao. To Louisa Grove, see you on Sunday!
With
Anita.
Te Wilo.
yeah, what do you guys look forward to every year for White Sunday?
Everyone coming together and performing.
Same.
Do you guys have anything specifically you're looking forward to this year?
Yeah, just the performances.
To Louisa Grove, we'll see you on Sunday.
So we're back here again with Auntie Whanga. What is your favorite part of White Sunday each year?
Oh, I think for me is seeing all the little kids come together and just all the church kids coming together to celebrate White Sunday. Just like Mother's Day, Father's Day, this is a Children's Day. So yeah, that's what I look forward to, and seeing all the performances.
Do you have any specific favorite part for this year?
I do actually. I'm actually really, really excited and looking forward to what the junior youth is going to bring. I think it's a long time coming and been a while since we've had a junior youth. So I'm really, really thankful that, excited to see what you guys are going to bring on the day.
What class are you teaching this year?
Okay, my vasenga is vasenga Momo Whakaikai. So we're the second class straight after the whakaupi. So yeah, we're going to bring it too.
How long have you been here?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm 51, so I've been here since I was a child. I was baptised before our church was built, down the centre when Popo was our minister, and I'm still here. To Louisa Grove this Sunday, 9 o'clock, see you there.
Woo! Palo so fo mo malangi ma. Ya, le oa ma fatasi ne male sunga le tamatai fa ya onga ya silia ai tongi. Ya, silia. La le umi ngai wai fa ya onga sa.
O tum salo ua po le ono tautanga po saval velas fo lunga.
Silia la fo le vasenga ngai te fa ya onga ya.
Paptaya mo papsili o le vasenga papitoa mo papitoa.
La se va engo le lotsa mete te fia ia.
Oi, o se fia lava o el macho vasenga. O jo salo o macho vasenga mana ya la to loto malato pesenga. Ia mo falo la paptai.
Sin muri le aso au tuanga mo alum fa na o mai le nei video.
O lo fa tuanga mo tupulanga. Ia to anga le lotu ai mai se la ia o stai matua o stai se mai titi matua ia o me sili la valia pe ona pai mai le tu si pa ia o tama tu sai mona ala o ina matua ele te ese ai ia o me na tauna fai e tamaiti o stai matua palongo i matua tai mi uma wa matua lai avatu le upue e fanga e o la toa nganga ia ele ngata le tu pale nganga ia tu partino fo tau sia i la tau ia ola mamanuia ia malo falo ala fa tai